Purchasing Vbucks through Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen effortlessly. To begin, ensure you possess an Apple Card, containing your card number, expiration date, CVV, and other standard card details. Owning this card is essential for seamless Vbucks transactions. Once you have your Apple Card, you can proceed with the purchase. Open Fortnite and navigate to the Vbucks section. Click on the desired Vbucks package to proceed with the purchase. You'll be directed to the payment section, where you'll need to input your card details. Select the credit card option and enter your Apple Card details. After providing the necessary information, click on the Place Order button to finalize the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, your Vbucks should be successfully purchased and available for use in the game. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily utilize Apple Pay to buy Vbucks hassle-free. Hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Fortnite experience with convenient payment methods.